Kamusta mga kaibigan? Welcome to Josh Friends, where faith meets friendship and inspiration is just a conversation away. This is Reverend Migs Ramirez, and today we are joined by a special guest who's ready to share some words of wisdom from your favorite books and songs from Jesuit Communications. This might just be exactly what you need to hear. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into another episode of heartwarming stories and uplifting messages. Are you ready? Let's go!
Controversial take. Maybe we're all commitment focused na. Not just in relationships, pati sa gym membership, sa diet, sa career path. Swipe left, swipe right na lang. Next date, next trial. Tapos pag fits or hindi mag-work, pag mahirap, we cannot even commit to love ourselves na in today's day and age. Pero when I hear the word panunumpa, yung forever kind of promise, parang, sino pa ba ngayon ang naniniwala dyan? Sana all na lang ba talaga ang forever? So I am Angelo Villanueva, and honestly, as a campus minister, nakikita ko to every day. Yung students ko, sobrang galing mag-commit. Commit sa deadline extension, sa extra rice, sa mamaya na, procrastination. Pero pagdating sa something deeper, pagdating sa promises na walang expiration date, iba na yung usapan. Pero alam nyo, may song na na-release ng Jescom, Panunumpa by Father J. Boy Gonzalez. And this song, grabe, it's different. Kasi it's literally about making a promise na walang hanggan. Listen to this. Nung una kong narinig ito, naisip ko, wow, ang tindi ng guts ng kanta na to. Kasi who talks like this anymore? Magpakailan pa man, walang hanggan, sa era ng ghosting at let's see where this goes. Sino pa bang nag-aalalay ng buong buhay nila? But here's the thing. And this is from someone who really spends his life moving. Ako, I play badminton, frisbee, basketball, running. Mostly, I'm always in motion. Palagi akong napupunta somewhere. And dati inisip ko, commitment is the opposite of movement. Pag nag-commit ako, parang nasa-stuck ka na, trapped, walang flexibility. Pero nag-click sa akin something during a retreat. Pero, nag-click sa akin something during a retreat that I gave last year. There were students who asked, Sir, paano mo ginagawa? Paano ka nagsistay as a campus minister for years? Hindi ka ba napapagod? Hindi ka ba nabobored? Di ba paulit-ulit lang yung sinasabi mo? And honestly, minsan oo. Minsan pagod na pagod. May days na isip ko, Lord, sana may ibang tao na lang ang gawin mo nito. May moments na parang ang daming mas exciting opportunities outside. Pero you know what keeps me? Hindi yung feeling. Hindi yung thrill. Hindi yung motivation. It's the promise. The panunumpa. The commitment. Yung same commitment na sinasabi ng kanta. Kahit ang puso ko'y nalulumbay, mananatiling ikaw pa rin. Kasi 'di ba yung difference ng commitment sa pakiramdam lang. Feelings come and go. Motivation, nauubos yan. Pero yung promise, yung panunumpa, that's what holds you when everything else fades. And speaking of staying committed, perfect timing to kasi we're celebrating something massive this November. Kapit Pandesal. Jescom's Morning Reflection Show ay 21 years na. 21 years. Every Monday, nandyan si Father J. Boy Gonzalez, nagre-reflect, nag-i-inspire. Kasama niya sina Cardinal Tagle, Miss Risa, Father Nono Alfonso S.J., and Father Fiel Pareha. Isipin nyo, 21 years. Ilan na tayong nag-quit sa mga bagay na sinimulan natin in the last 21 months, weeks, or days even. Pero, ang kapit pandesal, nandyan pa rin sila. Same mission, same heart. Hindi dahil every Monday ay inspired sila, but because they made a panunumpa, a commitment, a promise to a mission, to a ministry, to the people of God. At alam nyo, yung pinaka-powerful sa lahat, yung part ng kanta na to. At mapapawi ang takot sa akin, mangakong walang hanggan. Kasi yan yung secret, yung fear of commitment. Hindi nawawala dahil naging perfect ka or dahil sigurado ka na sa lahat. It fades away because you anchor yourself on something more. Something bigger than your fear. Love. Pag naglalaro ako, may moments na kailangan mo talagang mag-commit to dive. Alam mong sasakit, alam mong baka mali ka, pero you commit anyway. Because if you hesitate, you will feel stuck. If you hesitate, you might regret. Same thing with faith. In relationships, sa calling, yung takot nandyan pa rin. Pero you move anyway, you commit anyway. Hindi dahil ng doubt, kundi dahil may something, may someone na mas malaki sa doubt mo. That's what panunumpa is really about. It's not something na romantic or Disneyfied version of commitment na laging happy. But it's gritty, real, and saying, oo, mahirap, or may days na ayaw ko, but choosing to stay. Choosing to say, ikaw pa rin. And you know what? 21 years ng Kapit Pandesal proves na possible yan. People can show up, na promises can be kept, na hindi tayo lahat commitment phobes. We're just scared. And maybe, just maybe, we need a song, a community, a reminder that it's okay to be scared, but you show up anyway. So if you're someone na nagsastruggle sa commitment, whether in faith, in relationship, in calling, I encourage you, listen to Panunumpa. Let it be your anthem. Let it remind you na you're not alone sa struggle. And you want a daily dose ng committed model, real time. Check out Kapet Pandesal. 21 years and counting. Still showing up every week. You can watch them in YouTube at Jescom TV or catch them on Billionario News Channel. Let us journey together in hope. Get inspired by this song and more. Head over to Jescom exclusive on jescom.ph/Josh. And hey, if you really want to commit to your morning coffee ritual, kunin nyo na rin yung Kapet Pandesal mugs. Kasi kung mag-commit ka na, mag-commit ka na with style, di ba? So this is Jello. Keep moving, keep committing, and keep choosing love. Kahit mahirap, kahit takot, God chooses you pa rin. Maraming salamat and see you next time on Josh Friends.
Maraming salamat, kaibigan. That wraps up another episode of Josh Friends. I hope today's reading touched your heart and gave you something to reflect on. Remember, you can find the full text of what we shared today, along with many other inspirational resources at the Jescom online shop. Until next time, this is Reverend Migs Ramirez reminding you that you are never alone on your journey of faith. Paalam at ingat, mga kaibigan!